Okay, for the first problem I chose to do in my tic-tac-toe board is this one right here. So the first thing I did was label the values that the problem gave me. So I labeled 12 on AC, 3 on BC, and 4 on CD, and I put X on EC. So I know I'm going to use the product of this secant times the exterior part. So the first secant that I see is AC, which is 12. So I'm going to say 12 times the exterior part of that secant, which is 3. And that's going to equal the other secant, which is 4, times the X times the exterior part, which is 4. So when I work that out, 12 times 3 is 36. X times 4 is 4X. If I use the division property of equality, I divide both sides by 4. That eliminates the 4's here. So 9 equals X. So the length of AEC would be 9. The second problem I chose to do was the middle problem. The first thing I did was I labeled AB was 12. I labeled DB was 16. And I want to find CB, so I put X on CB. So again, I use the theorem that says the secant times its exterior part is equal to the secant times its exterior part. So I said the first secant was 16. The exterior part with that was X. That's equal to the tangent, which is 12. And the exterior part of the tangent is also 12. So when I multiply 16 times X, I get 16X. When I multiply 12 times 12, I get 144. So again, use the division property of equality and divide both sides by 16. The 16's eliminate, so X equals 9. So the length from C to B is also 9. The final one said find the measure of angle CBA. So I trace the angle from C to B to A, and I place X there. I notice that's an inscribed angle, and if I look at my chart, I know the angle, which is represented by X, is equal to the arc, which is represented by 86, divided by 2. So that tells me the angle CBA is equal to 43.